Gilgit city. Gilgit is the capital city of Gilgit-Balochistan, a mountainous region located in the northern part of Pakistan. The city is situated in the valley near the confluence of the Gilgit River and Hunza River, surrounded by the Karakoram Mountains. Gilgit is known for its stunning natural beauty with majestic mountains, pristine lake, and green valley. It is popular destination for adventures seeks it as offering opportunity for trekking, mountaineering, and rock climbing. The city is also rich in culture heritage with rivals assigned Bursat rock caving and fortress dating back to the first million C. The city has population of around 216760 people and is hub for commerce and trade in the region. The main languages spoken in Gilgit are Shina, Urdu and English, and the majority of the population is Muslim. The city has a small airport and accessible by road from Islamabad and other major cities in Pakistan. In the so beautiful city and the snowfall and the mountain and the park and the jheel in the lovely man in the lovely mountains, snowfall views in the visitor in the come to a big, so please come and enjoy